Here in Falkirk District we have some of the best recycling rates in Scotland, but we can all do even more to reduce our impact on the environment and make the area a greener and cleaner place to live. In this film we'll tell you how you can reduce your waste and also how you can recycle more using our 3-bin system. It should mean that we send less waste overall to landfill. So stand by for some great tips to help you get your waste sorted. And remember to reduce, reuse and recycle.
Adam Watson has incorporated the principles of good waste management into his life. Let's have a look at how he helps Falkirk turn its waste into a valuable resource.
Me and my family are part of the 3-bin collection system, which means we've got a blue bin for recyclates, a brown bin for compostable garden waste and a green bin for whatever's left. We were struggling when we first started to recycle, but we've picked up a few handy tips that's made life a lot easier. Probably the biggest is separating our waste out in the kitchen. Any clean plastic bottles, clean tins and cans, paper and cardboard can go into your recycling bin. I normally give the milk bottles and dirty tins a quick rinse when I'm doing the washing up, just before we put these into the recycling bins. This ensures that they don't smell. I just found out that you can recycle the lids, so now I pop them into the bin as well. The kids normally squash down the cardboard so we can fit more in. Today is our bin collection day. Our blue bin's collected every 2 weeks, but if we forget which bin we put out, we can check the council website at www.falkirk.gov.uk, which has the bin collection calendars on it. Tomorrow's our brown bin collection day. It's quite heavy because I've done a lot of gardening recently. The council collects our brown bin every 4 weeks and we can put all our compostable garden waste like grass cuttings in it. All the rest of our rubbish goes into this green bin. We try not to put too much in there because we know that it goes to landfill. We also take all our glass and textiles to our local recycling centres or points.
If you live in a tenemental property with a shared bin close, you can also recycle your used cans, cardboard, plastic bottles and paper in a communal blue bin. Remember to put all the stuff in loose as carrier bags cannot be accepted within the communal bin. Any resident living in high-rise properties with a waste chute have been provided with a smaller blue bin. The blue bin can be placed outside the door on collection day. The bin men will lift the bins from the landings and replace them. In Falkirk we process all of our recyclates locally. The refuse collection vehicle takes the recyclates to a materials recycling facility in Grangemouth, which sorts it out and prepares it for processing. The first step is to separate out any contamination. Contamination is anything that cannot be recycled. In Falkirk, the majority of our contamination arises from black bin bags or carrier bags. As you can see, initially the aluminium cans are separated out by an electronic pulse, the steel cans by a magnet. The cans are then baled and sent for processing, where they are melted down to new drinks cans, sheet materials and a wide range of building materials such as gutters. The paper is baled and transported to a paper recycling company where it is pulped and reprocessed into a wide range of products, including toilet paper, card and newsprint. The plastic bottles are baled, transported and then sorted and washed. They are granulated and melted down to be reprocessed into new products such as fleece jumpers, compost bins and garden furniture. Are you wearing a plastic bottle? Currently this MRF processes more than 11,500 tonnes of recyclates from Falkirk residents each year. That's the weight of approximately 14,000 double-decker buses, which would otherwise have gone to landfill.
I always buy loose fruit and veg. We're all on our 5 a day, so we get through quite a lot. I also find that buying loose fruit and vegetables helps keep fresher for longer. I always try and buy in bulk when possible to cut down on waste packaging. I also try and buy local products if possible. I also make a point of buying recycled kitchen towels, and wherever possible try to buy products with recycled packaging. It's good to know that the glass from the kids' favourite jam can be reused again and again. Which reminds me, I must take our glass and textiles to a recycling point. I normally drop my glass off before it has a chance to build up. I heard the other day that the council has over 80 recycling points throughout the area, and there's plans to put more in. I checked the council website the other day and found a list of all the recycling points in my local area. It was really handy because I also found one close to where I work.
Did you know that you can use the council's recycling points to recycle old clothes, soft toys, belts, shoes, underwear, bedding and curtains? Do you know where your local textile point is? Thank you for watching the 3-bin DVD. We hope that you are more informed about what happens to your waste. If you have any other questions or comments, or would like to find out more on how to recycle and reduce your waste in Falkirk, please call us on 01324 504444 or visit us at www.falkirk.gov.uk.